Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to provide you what is the LoJack device pricing. Okay, so if you are going to purchase a LoJack device, then what is the costing? So the costing you can see if you are going to purchase this device for 3-year plan, or you can say like 3-year subscription, then you need to pay like $895, or you can say like $900, and the costing for 1 year like approx $300. Okay, and if we talk about like for 5 years, it will cost around like $1,100, and if you are go for like 7-year plan, then the costing is like $1,250. So these are the pricing models. Now if we talk about like is this really worthy for you or not, so it depends on your person to person, and as you know, this is the very popular, you can say like product, and this will provide you extra security for a car. So any product which is providing extra security for a car is really worth it. Okay, and if we talk about like costing, the costing is like $300 per year. So this is not looking like a big amount, but if you are thinking this is a big amount, then in that case you can go some alternates. Okay, you can also see on amazon.com, when you visit, like you will see there are lots of options available. You can see this is the another option available, and there are lots of options available at, you can say like, low cost. But don't try to purchase these kind of small, you can say like, devices and all. These kind of devices not worthy at all, and there may be some, you can say like some kind of, you can say like not good type of chip available in these kind of devices, and after using some time, or you can say like after experience, you can say like some time, they will, you can say like, damage. Okay, so you need to go some official, you can say like brand, or you can say like the good brand. So as you can see over here, there is a one more brand, that is like land area C 54 GPS. So this is the device. You can also try this device. The costing is only like $21.9. so the average rating of this product is also very good. And if we talk about like this device, you can see over here, this is the another device. The costing is like very less, and you can see the rating is also amazing. Okay, but if we talk about like this device, and this is the device LoJack, they are providing you lots of, you can say like, security and all. They are providing extra features and all. So as you know, when you invest lots of money, then you will get lots of features. So if you are going to invest you can say like a small money, then you are going to get low, you can say like, functions and all. So it depends, you can say like function, and you can say like accuracy depends on pricing also. So if you have lots of money, then you can go for this brand, and if you don't have so much money, then you can go for these brands. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.